In today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to add the scan lines into your clip in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. In DaVinci, I have a vintage footage. So let's review it. Now let's add some scan lines. In the effects, you need to search in the search field scan, and you will find them in the filters. Just simply drag and drop to your footage. By default, they look nice, but they are fully customizable. If you want to customize them, just navigate to the inspector and then press Effects. So let's check a couple of the settings. You can change the light frequency, the sharpness, the angle, how they are rotating, width and shift. Also, you can change the colors if you want. Cyan. Also the second color you can change, but I think one more time the default look fine. So let's review it. And that's how easy it is to add a scan lines on top of your video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.